Hey my lovelies, I love you guys so freaking much. Welcome back to another video. Did you guys see what we got going on here though? Like, do you guys see what we got going on here though? I know you're loving this look. It's the hair. Like, it's the hair for me, okay? It's the highlighter look. I always want to have a highlighter type of look type of thing, and this is what we got going on in this video. I hope you guys are liking what you're seeing. We got a whole, you know, cute, grown, sexy, simple beat going on here, and yeah, that's about it. I just love everything about it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and join me, my lovelies, on this journey. Anyways, you guys, let's get right into this beat. As you guys can see, my hair is looking real cute. Okay, my hair is looking real cute. This is like a quick fix. I call this a quick fix. And this is from VALENTINES. Why did I just say it like that? Okay, I need to chill, but I'm so geeked. But yeah, this is from VALENTINES. And ooh, I don't know what number this is, but I'll definitely leave it, you know, somewhere at the side over here, just to give you guys a little showbiz over there, just to show you guys what it is, if it's synthetic, if it's human, if it can straighten, if it cannot. I don't know. I'm just gonna list it right there because I totally forgot it, and the package is somewhere far. But yeah, so I just did a quick fix because I'm like, no, I want something, you know, really pretty. It came nicely wrapped and packaged. It had like the stuffing inside, the netting. The hair store also gave me like a head cap for free, and I'm like, okay, bet. This was about $85. But let me know if you guys think this hair is cute, okay? Comment down below. Let me know if you guys think this hair is cute. I think it's fire. I feel like it's giving me like grown woman vibes, but also sexy vibes, you know what I'm saying? It's makeup time. My face is feeling so dry. It even looks real dry. So what I'm going to do is, where's my NUDESTIX? Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna add some lip gloss right now. I don't care. And I got this new lip gloss as well. This is the NK Makeup Lip Gel with vitamin E. It's in coconut. Hopefully it's not too sticky. It smells so good. And I picked this up from the beauty supplier, sorry. Oh yes, those are saving my lips, okay? Oh my god, the face is so dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be going in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Booster Drops, you guys. You guys already know, because I am normal to dry skin and it helps a lot, okay? It does. And I know my face is extra dry, so I'm also going to be going in with my face, the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Ooh, you see my face, how my face is already giving us life. But this, you guys, is magical. Like, I would say that 1,000 times. It is. I'm going to be going in with the NEUTROGENA Hydra Boost Water Gel Sunscreen, and it has SPF 50. I used this baby last summer, and oh my gosh, you guys, it was amazing. The only thing I'll definitely say is don't bring it close to your eyes, because it does burn. When it was burning my eyes, you guys, I was like, no way, like So make sure you do not bring this close to your eyes or you will burn, okay? Guys, I just been feeling for like natural type of vibe, type of look. Sometimes I do feel like my makeup is like too much. You guys know when your makeup just feels too much and you're tired. Sometimes you just want a light. Ooh, what is going on? Sometimes you just want your face to just feel so lightweight and free. That's where I'm at in my life right now. I'm just feeling for something lightweight and free, but still look like a bad bitch on the street, or still look glamorous in a way. I need it to give me life. You know, I want my face to give me more life, but more skin friendly. That's what we're looking for. And right now I'm going to go in with the Morphe E15 brush. And I'm also going to be going in with this PLOUISE base in number 3 and Ruben number 3. And I'm just going to peck this all over my lids. Now that we set the eyes, I am just going to start with the face, because as you guys know, I like to start with the face nowadays. And to contour is the LA Girl Ebony Foundation. And you guys, honestly, I had so much plans for you. Like, let me tell you guys about Toronto right now, okay? Toronto went back in another friggin' lockdown. And to be honest with you guys, it ain't it. Like, this is not it. Like, I don't know if Ford knows what he's doing, but he doesn't know what he's doing. Like, he doesn't. Like, I'm gonna just be honest with you guys. Everyone's laughing at Canada right now. It's not being controlled. Life is life. Like, the States, you guys in the States, like, I know I have a lot of followers too from the States. You guys are living your best life, okay? I wanted to do a vlog and show you guys, you know, the items I am getting. But unfortunately, we're back in lockdown. And now all my plans are ruined because everything I want to vlog is closed down. That's the tea, okay? That's the tea. And it's annoying. A lot of you guys are feeling like COVID is making you like depressed and sad. Forget it. Remove that out of your head and go do something that you love to do. If it's something that is not open, go enjoy the outside. Go do something, read, listen to music, create on your creativity, something. Go and do something because we need to just enjoy in general. You know what I mean? Like, look at all this commotion that's going on. We need to feel free and we need to be happy and we just need to do our thing, okay? So don't even mind that. Don't even watch them. Keep doing your thing because I'm gonna keep doing my thing too because they're not gonna stop the shine over here. Like, I'm doing so good, you know. I'm so like happy. I'm so consistent. Whatever I can get done will definitely get done. Whatever you guys can get done, get it done. So I'm gonna be going in with the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Concealer, and I'm just going to conceal the eyes, underneath the eyes. And I'm gonna just quickly blend everything. I know we look a little bit scary, but don't worry. Everything will come together, okay? Blend this out just to make everything a little bit more smoother. Like, I'm really trying to get a hang of trying to do something different to my makeup, as I've been trying to say to you guys for the past 2 videos of my life. But like, no, for real. Like, I need some type of change. But if you guys haven't got your hands on that Clinique Beyond Perfecting Concealer, well, it's a concealer foundation, but I love the coverage of it. Like, it's a beautiful coverage and it's very full. You know when you just don't get the concealer lines underneath your, you know what I'm saying? Like, you don't get that with the concealer. Like, it literally blurs out everything. I stopped at Sephora the other day, well, yesterday, and I was going to be getting the new Fenty foundation. I totally forgot what it was called, but something blur or something like that. And the girl was like, girl, come and try something else. Like, she has something that's similar. I'm like, okay, let me just see what you got, girl. But let me just see. She said it's really good. She thinks I will love it. It also was because the Fenty foundations, it wasn't really too skin friendly for me. Like, the match of the two shades that were kind of like compatible for me was not going great. So the girl at Sephora, she took me somewhere else. She showed me something else, and she showed me this bad boy right here. And this is the NUDESTIX, a Canadian brand, and I did not know that. So she showed me NUDESTIX, and I was like, what? Canadian brand. And the swatches, you guys, are super amazing. When she actually showed me, when she showed me this, she literally won my heart. And I love the fact, like, I've never seen a foundation in this type of package. First of all, like, this is such a pretty package. It's so simple, matte. Like, I love it. It has the shade color right here. And this is the NUDESTIX Nude 9. Oh, it has like a mirror. So they wrapped the foundation in it. Okay, and I guess this is, oh, this is cute. Okay, Canada, do your thing. NUDESTIX, thanks so much for buying NUDESTIX. We hope you love it as much as we do. We believe a nude look is a perfect fit for any face. We're all born with our own unique look, so why cover it up with tons of makeup? Go nude, but better. Ali and Taylor. Definitely going to try their foundation right now. Especially that it's a Canadian brand. Like, come on, get with the program. You know what I mean? Actually sold right now, like with our whole like labeling. I love it. It gave me energy, you know what I mean? Like, that's energy. That's my type of energy. So this is how the foundation looks. Like, this is real pretty. Ooh, wow. You guys, I was not expecting this to have a pump. Like, creativity at its finest. I was not expecting this to have a pump. What? You girls did your thing. Okay. Ooh. It's on a dot, so. Ooh, girl. I did more than a dot. So that's how it looks. It's a bit orange. I added it on my chest. Yes, I did. I love the packaging. That was real cute. So what I'm gonna do, as you can see, that was a dot. I'm gonna kind of like spread it everywhere. I need to move this band up. Oh, that's a lot of foundation. Hold on. So I'm gonna blend out this foundation. Yeah. Okay, not bad. I need to get rid of this lip gloss. Oh my gosh, the fact that this is a Canadian brand is amazing. Shout out to my Canadian people. NUDESTIX is a vibe. I think I'm gonna buy the rest of their collection, like especially their concealer. Guys, I'm going to do eyeshadow, and with the eyeshadow I'm going to do a real simple because I feel like we got a lot. I feel like we got a lot going on already, and I honestly don't want to do too much. I just want this look to be real simple but real cute. So I'm just gonna go in with the Makeup by Yolando's Artistry Vault palette, and I'm going to be grabbing Expensive. And let me see what Expensive is giving. Yeah, like I feel like I always dab in to Expensive because it's just such a pretty rich brown. Like Makeup by Yolando palettes, you guys, is the most pigment. I feel like that's why you guys always see me grabbing them, because the pigments in these palettes are gorgeous. Like, it really does change your eyeshadow game for the better. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, sometimes when I'm on like Instagram and things, I honestly feel like it's so like annoying sometimes, because like you just feel like, oh my gosh, like you want to post and you want to do your thing. Sometimes you just feel like you're not at where you want to be, because you feel like you see everybody moving so fast. It's just like, ugh, like I know what I need to do, I'm just doing other things. I feel like I'm slowing down, but it's not that you're slowing down. Everything takes time. You don't need to rush anything, you know what I mean? And when your time comes, your time will come. So right now I'm going to be grabbing, well, what palette is it? This is the Magic by Juvia's palette. I'm going to be grabbing this shade called Nana. Yeah, it's pretty. I'm gonna go in with this pink shade right here. This is called Zuba. I haven't been doing perfect eyeshadow looks because it's not that serious. We're just gonna slowly like place this right on top. Ooh, that's pretty. So right now what I'm gonna go in with is the Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium deep and honey, but I'm gonna go in with medium deep first and then top it off with honey. I just want to see what it will give, what type of vibe it will give. Okay, and I'm gonna go in with honey. gotta bronze a little bit. I haven't went in with this brush in a long time. This is my favorite brush. I think this is from Sedona Lace. I think this brush is from Sedona Lace for now. I'm just gonna bronze a bit right here with the Morphe ADD Glam palette. I say it so fast, like ADDDD, like. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add some blush. I'm gonna go in with this Milani Coral Rose powder blush. I actually love going in with this blush now. It's like one of my favorites now. And I'm just gonna like apply like right on top, like right here. Okay, so let me go ahead and add some lashes and we'll be right back. We are back. Eyelashes is on, okay? Eyelashes is on and the look is still not complete. We are almost in the look, but it's not complete. It's not finished. Okay, and I'm feeling myself, so don't mind me. I'm really feeling myself. I'm gonna kind of blend everything together. I'm gonna add some powder. I'm gonna go in with the Sephora Micro Smooth powder in Deep. And I'm going to be using my Kala brush. Killa. Applying this powder just around the areas where we did added the foundation and concealer. Just to make the look a little bit more smooth and blended out. Now for the lips. I don't know what we're going to use for lips. So I'm going to be going in with MAC Chestnut Lip Liner. Oh, that's what I forgot. That's why my lip is budging, because I did not add no powder to the lips. Let me see if I can still add some powder to my lips now, because no. This is the completed look. Everything just looks so bomb for you guys. We definitely came out with, you know, simple and beautiful. This was supposed to be giving me a pink eyeshadow. It still went in for a gold look. I don't know how that happened. It was pink and now it turned to gold, but whatever. This was still a hit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel and join me, my lovelies. And you guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, my lovelies. Mwah.